Traditional drones often face challenges such as noisy operation, limited flight time, and susceptibility to weather conditions. Introducing a revolutionary solution, the AI-powered plasma-propelled drone, designed to overcome these limitations. Our plasma drone utilizes ionized air for propulsion, eliminating moving parts, while conventional drones rely on electric motors and spinning propellers. Experience near-silent operation with the plasma drone, compared to the audible hum of traditional drones. The plasma drone offers higher efficiency, potentially extending flight time beyond conventional drones. With zero emissions during operation, the plasma drone is an eco-friendly alternative to battery-dependent drones. Advanced AI enables autonomous flight, enhancing capabilities beyond traditional drones. The plasma drone represents the future of flight, offering silent, efficient, and autonomous capabilities. Imagine a world where drones can operate without noise and pollution, revolutionizing industries from delivery to surveillance. The integration of cutting-edge technology ensures that the plasma drone will redefine standards in aerial mobility. Join us in exploring the endless possibilities of drone technology as we venture into the future of flight. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the realm of advanced aerial vehicles and their capabilities.